Welcome to my YouTube channel, my segment whereby I document my journey so far in the foreign exchange market. This week we have just one setup which is preparing itself, which I've been anticipating for over 2 weeks now, or roughly 3 or 4 weeks if I'm not mistaken. This should be the third week we are anticipating this setup. It's on GBPCAD. This on the monthly time frame. It's on the monthly time frame. Price fade to close above this week, like so. This week, price fade to close above this week on the monthly time frame, creating a bearish engulfing candle like this. And if we go down to the weekly time frame, on the 4-hour weekly time frame, you see that price created this double top around here, and a double top signifies a reversal. So what we'll be looking for, price created a double top, broke a key level, and now retesting the key level, like so. So what we are going to do now is to scroll down to lower time frames. Scroll down to lower time frames. But before then, let's try to draw a trend line here. Let's check that out on the monthly time frame. That'll be much cleaner. Something like this. The trend line is still far away from the monthly time frame, but we'll still have a chance to draw an inner trend line, which will be like this. It will be an inner trend line like this. It will be an inner trend line. Yeah. I used to have this inner trend line like this on the weekly time frame. Yeah, price is still far away from there. Price is still far away from there. Let's go back to the weekly time frame. Price is still far away from that trend line. This inner trend line on the weekly time frame. Just trying to check something out. Yeah, we don't need that right now. Let's try to check this one out. Yup, it should be much better. Yeah, something like this. You can see we are bearish overall. Bearish overall. So if we go down to the daily time frame, if we go down to the daily time frame, this is what we are seeing here. Double top on the monthly time frame, double top on the weekly time frame, and also a double top on the daily time frame, a break below the neckline and a pull back into the neckline. But this price on the daily time frame is too linear for us. We can't draw our counter trend line. So we'll go down to the 4-hour time frame like this. Yep. Go down to the 4-hour time frame, which will create an opportunity for us to draw our counter trend line like this. Use the most outermost wicks. Yeah. Something like this. This will be our helmet. This will be our shield in the market. Let's go back to the daily time frame for a quick one also. Yeah, this is it on the daily time frame. This is on the daily time frame. Let's something like this. This is quite amazing. Yep. Some daily time frame. You can see that price came into this level with very strong momentum, but when it tapped into this key level, price started rejecting the key level. You can see how short, how consolidating the candles are around this level. Yeah, you can see how the candles are now consolidating around that level. So this is what we're looking for. Initially on the daily time frame, if we pull our Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, like so, we can see that price haven't tapped into this Fibonacci around here. But I expect price to manipulate this region. If we can have a push into this Fibonacci region, the bounce off that region, I expect price to manipulate this region here like this. Maybe even tap into this trend line, this downward trend line, before it will come back to break the key level, then it pull back into the region before we start selling this market. Because I kind of expect price to just play around this region a little bit like this and then stop dropping down. But if it drops, we are not the market. If it drops, then we'll hop on this trade. A 4-hour bearish engulfing candle. A 4-hour bearish engulfing candle from this zone. Boom, like this. I'll be in. Boom, we'll be in. Yeah, our first profit target will be this low here. This low here. At the 100% retracement, we'll set that on a daily time frame. We'll use the body of the candles. Yeah, we have first profit target. Entries will come around here, something like this. Stops will be above the previous high, something like this. First profit target to be there, second profit target to be here. Because I expect this market at least gets back to this support region around here. Yeah, something like this is what to be expecting for GBPCAD. A break below this counter trend line on the 4-hour time frame. I will jump on this trade. Yeah, I will jump on this trade. That's on GBPCAD. I'll jump on this trade and let's look at EURUSD quickly. Let's take a look at EURUSD quickly. This is EURUSD. Let me take off this one. Let's go to the weekly time frame. This is more clear. Half price is on the weekly time frame for EURUSD. Price tapped into this key level, reacted on this key level, rejecting this key level. You can see this movement has been so linear. Yes, on the weekly time frame, this is what I'm saying on GBPUSD, EURUSD precisely. We'll draw my Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, and you can see this yellow bar here is our supply region, like so. You see around here, price I respected this region a lot. Tapping here and that tapping here, manipulated around this here, it tapping here, broke below it, tapped into it again around here. I should be expecting a pullback into this region on the weekly time frame before we'll be willing to short this market. Because for now, we'll You have to stay on our hands. Then aside that, if we go to daily time frame, go to a daily time frame like so, you see a higher high, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. Yeah, a lower low, a lower high. So if we still drag our Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, we'll see that price has this supply region around here below. Let me take it to the weekly time frame quickly. Oops. Yeah, around here. This is the low, a higher low around here, something like this. That's not it. I'm supposed to use there. Here low around here like so. Yeah, let's go back to the daily time frame. Yeah, we have two scenarios for the Euro USD. A pullback, a swing Fibonacci from swing high to swing low on the weekly time frame, and we'll have this massive pullback into this region like so, around here, into this region like so. And the second scenario is this on the daily time frame. Swing high to swing low, Fibonacci around here, supply region. A bounce of this region can see price come down here, maybe to form a double bottom before pull back into this region, something like that. But if price comes here and react and give us a good entry for a sell, then we'll jump on this trade. Yeah, we'll jump on this trade. That's on Euro USD. And aside that, we also have a descending counter trend line like this. So if price breaks above this counter trend line and close above this region, then we might see this yellow bar. Yeah, that's what we'll be doing now. It will take about a week or so for this to mature, or even 2 weeks. That's on Euro USD. Let's take a look at GBP USD. This one GBP USD. So we have analyzed this already. This one GBP USD, same scenario, a pullback into this yellow bar like so on the weekly time frame. Let me take this off. Yeah. You know why my chart looks so dirty. Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, like so. Boom, it pull back into this region. Counter trend line now. Sell down here, but I have a concern around here. This level here. The first touch, second touch, and this could be the third touch of the trend line. Because the market can do anything at all. But this is what we're looking at for. And if we still go down to a daily time frame, if we still drag our Fibonacci from a daily time frame, swing high to swing low, have a supply region around here. So let's see what the market will do for this week. For now, we just sit on our hands and watch the market do its thing for the coming week. I have one very, very juicy setup. A very juicy setup on S&P 500. This very juicy setup on S&P 500 I'm looking at also. Let's form an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, like this. Break above the neckline, came back to retest the neckline like this. Came back to retest the neckline like this. It's on the weekly time frame. Counter trend line has been drawn. If you go to the daily time frame like this, you see that price bounce off this region. bounced off this region like this. Price bounced off here of the bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame. A daily time frame bullish engulfing candle, don't play with it. It's an S&P 500. And this is what I'll be looking out for. I'm looking out for price. I don't want to buy this market from here. I wait for price to open and close above this yellow bar before I'll be interested in buying this S&P 500. I'll buy what I'll be so concerned that it will be short-lived for the meantime. Price will come above this region like this. Yeah. Price will come above this region like this. Don't try to take stops below. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Here we'll set our stop loss. Yes. A break above this region, a pull back into this region. Stops will come below here. And I'll buy this market up here. First profit target will be at this level like this. Let's go to the daily time frame. First profit target will be at the touch of this counter trend line. Take partial, move stops to break even, and let the market do it. If it finally breaks above this region, then we'll rally up here. Definitely S&P 500 will create new highs. If this happens, it will create new highs. So that's what I'll be looking at for this week.